it's here for remember money about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so Mr. And there your first time we have subscribe and click the notification bell on so am we understand latest news be about one sa ebeka metro send your bell screen so not just a with this pepe am I you better send your subscribe and click the notification bell on so and then that screen so Mr. we are number na that screen as no opese no yen twetwem kono o asem bia wo pese wo kan opese ye de views eto obetumi afresh number no ana say obetumi ne yen ahyehye ho na ye bema waso ate de koso your Facebook page link no so our description box no yes share click it na like your Facebook page no am I yanko and then sem so Sandra the story be brewo breaking news ne say Beyonce at the Shatawale Atoni album, so it is a legendary feat. This has never happened. Say a top artist like Beyonce be collaborating with a Ghanaian artist like Shatawale. No, now will be an MC BBC ABC. Now, you see, you know, now for one question, Uncle Fu be say, hey, India, but say na Beyonce be discover at the Shatawale Tony album. So Emma Endra me a video the child say unconfirmed report. Yet say Mr. Easy na linke Shatawale Emma Beyonce. And then I met sure me can pay say I can't confirm that, but a rumor because Mr. Easy and so one Beyonce no I enjoy. And or linke no that's unconfirmed report. But ye not confirmed report no say it is not Mr. Easy. So rumor na concern Mr. Easy no and you no na a branch bia your friend Chris Coney wono ena wo ye ema link we buy na me pese me read post bia Chris Coney edit on the Facebook page and brand news we echo viral say Shatawale ene Beyonce wo ma yenjom no we say I remember the day I had a chat with Teresa and Kwesi of Parkwood Entertainment, an American management and entertainment company founded by American singer Beyonce, about King Shatawale being on the Lion King. Not just say we no Chris Coney no we say wakai embra wone Teresa any abrante bia your friend Kwesi of Parkwood Entertainment. As Parkwood Entertainment no Beyonce and say Parkwood Entertainment no just say Teresa any Kwesi no Beyonce you close to omo nti no Chris Coney no wonim say sangrofo we omo ben Beyonce and no so wonim sangrofo no nti oni omo kasa say oh mate say Beyonce ebeye album mesre album we dey say African sem dia mesre mo fa Shatawale into so mame why nti no sana Chris Coney no oka na was say and I may continue as more can I say in quote he is a real champion and his verse is killer. He is a real champion and his verse is killer. That was the response I got from them after the song was sent. That is a Shatawale SNN no omo share ye boni omo kasa say oh mo fa Shatawale into so a omo pene so mo de Shatawale beto so no adia eye America for ne kan say chale Shatawale ne verse awaye won jom ne so de eye killer Shatawale ye real champion. Not just America for ne kasa. I say Charles Nyama Mensah is trending worldwide. Real champion, real king. You made Africa proud. Now the world will witness the greatness called Shatawale as that big tune drops. Thanks to Leslie and everyone who helped to make this see the light of day. Internet for this is what we are saying. Say Chris Coney no wono ena woma we ebemu one nkrofo abonim say omo ye close to Beyonce ekasai ema womo peneye ema Shatawale eye verse na Shatawale eye verse no womo vete verse no mu hu say Shatawale eye ade wo so senia endra medi kan ka tell no obi as big as Beyonce say wo ye njom na eye baller ye fan njom na nka ne album ho enti no womo vete ya womo hu say oh njom no eye no utumi say niti no mo de car album ne ho enti na tie for this is it. This is how Shatawale actually got the feature. This is how Shatawale landed the feature. Now, same way you buy na young kofu be there. Online blogger, Facebook blogger, be a friend Kamal Mohammed. And also I need the pan. Now, same way there, me bo Kamal Mohammed abaso because Shatawale ya de ne nya Kamal Mohammed eba bonten ebeka. This time Shatawale so wama Ghana yenimati de say oba bontine be kan to be congratulate Shatta Wale and a lot of the SM people are what person said this is not only from Shatta Wale SM4 send mu push Shatta Wale no when you are part of it and congratulations to you all young Congo tin sema Kamal Mohammed edituja
anu de ba beka eye Shatta Wale say Beyonce yetimi recognize Shatta Wale edwuma pa waye na also on beto ne album. I mean, of course, we have to upload him. We enye bibia we nya hoya, we enye gidigidi. Etu ba ha, sa unye be phone kwa dia you have to share. We enye Daddy Lumba, enye kodwantwi, enye amachi dede. Eya Ghana na edi nkunim. Sa yesu adwuma pa. Watima set some pace bi ama echirima. And yes, this is not for Shatta Wale, it's for the whole Ghana. Because everybody say ya, mamu nyini se Shatta Wale na yedi na to so no. Enye anu na ebibi. But enkwala na omu etire no omuso bi kwa odi bibi ato ho no ade na odi ato ho no ye tiri ma na omuso be ba no omuso betimi anya sa opportunity no ama ebi omu time na great musician bi o America na history asa repeat no ho etienne enye amachi dede fan enye me yes amachi dede medium nye kodwanchi medium ye Daddy Lumba. Not that. I'm not talking about that today. I'm talking about eduma pa moye eduma pa Shatta Wale de Shatta movement moye. And then Beyonce yetime humu etima ka se Shatta Wale pese be de to menum so enye easy sir, to be honest enye easy na no na odi aka no kra no keke no kra ama ye hu se sa onu so nim se nyuntuni bi o Ghana na no na odi aka se odi ne be to so no kra se wa impo se wa nyum no kra ma wa fa na anya kra na sa onu so ahu se Ghana yeso ye wo artist bi e fe Shatta Wale also show interest so they never turn in so a great achievement for Ghana and for at least especially some young artists now mobile a great achievement for you in America chamu say and na ya me amachi dede kodwanchi Daddy Lumba Stonebwoy and then ya nyasa etu ba na unye beifo na uhum fili uhum boni ni umu a oba share video na mana konenim ama nkwala bia na so obi ehun eduma pa Shatta Wale ni Shatta movement aye. It's only fair for us to do it. And it's fair for us to talk about him. We can decide not to talk about him. Si yebetimi ahoya nti yebetimi ambeka ni aye di na ehye ho. But said you odi boni a ye de camera si so a yebe di na tem. Said you anya oya ade na enya yebeka no. Na ka me expect say for now no by now no. Videos be be starting him. Me expect say by now ese videos among for so camera no mo upload na djuma paso awaye eje say be say eya hoya what you say enye say o say Galaxy GH what see you and who o say onu say oya hoya enibre ene ya say Beyonce edi Shatta Wale to na albums we say oye enibre we say o ko hwe ne background here o say we were really pabe what just we before what kunkum ni pabe bri because obi ani nua be koso a anya ne de bia no na be yie hunhum atirimu entiti se obi ti se Galaxy hwan GH otumu se wo kunkum amanfo pa we ye wudini a we ye ni bre ya ho ya ahye no se yesi Shatta Wale na etimaye be yie no we be yie hunhum aha be chichi abefo bebre mamum ne nyam wanwa enye obi ani hu ade pa ene do enye obi ani hu ade pa ene fo ba me no it's all about Shatta Wale but it's about the generation no enkwala na omo ba no a wotimi aye bibia to omo ho when ye ka se ya na nanom abaye bi akọ ya na nanom panyimfo omo di kan omo abaye bi aka se ye be bi ato aso eti Shatta Wale se wotimi aye dede wotimi aye dede ama Beyonce atimo nka ama ene wode na to ne nnwom so a na se etiri ma no ebe bo omo eno na mom ye hwe me hwe ade a me hwe ne in a way a enye no na wo behu me hwe ade a me hwe ne in a way a enye no na wo behu me hwe no in a different way me de ani fufuro na hwe ani fufuro me hwe me hu ya no in fact I was impressed because ya Ghana fo ya did attempt ya can say bebre egu no so ya di na tem bebrebe yetimi ka se ne nyum kro obo no konko e jama eye hwan eye dieben but emu na bem eti wey a big example for everybody wo hem sisi a se memma nipa da sani bi emu wa bem e wa brabom memma nipa bi emu wa bem wa brabom because nipa sa na yete ena menji nipa bi aso ni memma obi mu wa bem ena menji nipa da sani ni because nipa hoya ma nipa timi ka asem bi asem na wo ka no no kro onim ye wo ka ahoya na ani bre ama nipa timi ka asem bi ono kro onim ye wo ka ya yesi chatawale obokonko beat ya na ye kai oba jama oshi jama enyuma obo na nya papa oye dede oye dia kanse bebre gura brabo so but ebnam se wa ma na bema mu no chatawale ama na bema mu otosu koye otosu ye de oye and the world star because how can Beyonce and eduma na siu sa Beyonce si odi chatawale to ni nyom so a na se asem bia de na asem ko ebutuafo asem bia de na asem ko because and we say sa wo bonu tuni a Beyonce na obebo ono na tese odina na so owiase afa na nyina ono no bo wakura na amanfo de besa eti chatawale ama na beba omu e wo de akeka ho a chatawale ama ya beba omu e wo nkomo a yedidi a na said guy no nyame ehia no he's blessed and highly favored. He's blessed and highly favored. Ibrahim Gausu na me twa from Shatter Movement. Me twa Ibrahim Gausu ye ne ne betwetwe nkomo ana mo amotonton no ma motonton tade ne ade mo hume for advert. They say me the idea be ba. Ata se beti Ghana fo nsem. O ton no ma me strategizing no ma bi. Ata se business be koso, market be ba. Ma unsa manfo bi start contact me. Me the promotion different way ba. O say the business no. Tani e business. It SM Shatter Movement for fun. Fans no why are there great work. Why are there? And yes atawale na are there o. Mo na why are there? Anya Shatawale na aya ade nemo mu fan base no mo na mo aya ade because Shatawale de nyum no ba na mo mo mpushi a anyum no nkoba bia sa Shatawale de nyum ba na sa mo anyum akomom amfa anya bibia anyum no nkoba bia enti me beki mo up 90% na me de 10% ama Shatawale because mo chese mo ye lawyer because obi ho odi wotikwa but onye lawyer ya onkrofo bebre omunye lawyer o mumma moni na ho but Shatawale fan base mo ye lawyer papa mo akoma pa. I'm telling you Ghana sa movement ye bi mada sa movement we ya Shatawale ne de obi ma o Ghana da. I'm telling you because kama bema budada kama bobobu dede ekoso omuso eseye ekoso omuso ediboni ekoso omuso mama bema omu ama mo de mo pushi na de akotoma aposo mo pushi Shatawale de akotoma aposo eno ne Beyonce ena ebeto nyum de bia meka sanipa wo wiase na unya even loyal people 10 ba ko 10 pe no more than 10 people omo do wo makomom no mu di ochi support wa de obebi ebeyi ba Ghana for yenye lawyer amanfo a hypocrite. People are selfish. They only look at their interest. Omuche omunko interest sana ni party sana Ghana for tie the Ghana for yen kan okre ye ni pabone for ye hunhun ye hunhun fin but momo de to be honest I don't know me nim kwa ofa so a wotimanya loyal people oye mistake kura mu ginam otimi ye mistake na mu ginam ka Ghana for de obi ye mistake o mu dwane jano Ghana for so obi ye mistake a ye dwane jawo sana Ghana for tie ba mo no de ma support no big up to the fans the fan base no me bon pa say chirima sunya omo ba Ombesua, follow. No, musu etimanya bi. And to big up to Shatawale and Shatta movement. Ibrahim Dawson na me channel. Oba na meko, menche. Ti business for no mo say amanfo bi start contacting for on me channel. Mo pese we business no. Say you be advertise ya mo. You be talk to the world. Ya mo aye. Say okay social media amanfo ye businesses. Ekoso. No ma ekoso amanfo to ade positive stuff. Ekoso social media so. Santi mo businesses am.
Hey, Kamal, I said, and
higher wodia, Kasa. Ya tell me, trust number 2.
Kamal, yes, sir. Mr. Juman, if you come, you know, for you, I question if you just said, many general.
Wow.
Many dear, and yes, many Jama Satan come, many J Ama on my Ghana, so many J because they say, one say, trend how set here, who trade the up and coming artist, they say, you can do it, you can get there, keep fighting, keep pushing, believing in yourself, keep doing it. Until the Saturday, you know, it's not just for Shatawale, Kamal. It's something our set a trend, will empower the young, the up and coming artists. They say, you can do it. It doesn't matter where you come from, whether you are poor or you are rich, you can do it. Kamal, Friday when I didn't album with you.
Before to Obeka Salo. I said to Nibia Baha, classic, Kwache classic, big up to Kwache classic, and you to four.
Yeah, Michiao. Because
before some Mamwakasano, Mabo Abaso been dending pa. Never side to you. Na Mabo Abaso. I will Makumum in my heart.
Thank you. I think.
I didn't tell you about to know. We are very real person.
Thank you.
Very real. Because support our only I don't who will be obeying my man to support. Obi any ho o ma Shatawale support who don't be a man and I make catch no. Because they be Shatawale atem be any ho unko di invitation enter and when you be any you talk about the Shatawale pay who appear put you for the invitation abra comment employ yes do that them by yes to the invitation yes what them example I was social media maybe a blogger and the attempt I put to social media and but in the meeting the attempt I did Shatawale attempt put you for the invitation now they do attempt see the foolish man this stupid guy this guy and I'm going to be doing that to make a now me both find say
that's it.
Shatawale akuma no hu power ya ma no
Oh,
na kan na Shatawale ni teacher no me be say o ship be from Ghana no dey bra with Ibrahim
amen.
because you pretty well we are very loyal guy. I respect you Ibrahim
thank
Kasa.
you. Oh, come on, me that's pa. The work can you now so any day. I the makuma so. And I want kasa so me that was papa. Because one say sometimes you be seen as you can. Your band a busa invitation na nipa ko no so on pal me say wo bai e bi a won in the kasa na enko the same way. On farm mount. And you've always given me the opportunity, no matter what the situation, to come and express yes or no. Their course no they see you kafa now you kafa but still no. Yeah, I hope so through that we were able to let people understand your point of view, even if they disagree with us. Now, pa, thank you. And if you will always say, we didn't fin, you know, me that's a pa, but ene. Come on, they say, that's that Emma Otredian or Hatasro. Aye, now you be beyond any more china, anything, ya, you the why ye ama Shatta movement. And yes, Shatawale, and yes, Shatawayamano, Wayama, Shatta movement, and the whole Ghana, and the whole Africa. Wayama. Because, and yet easy, It's not easy. You see Beyonce, and in feature baby. Come on, the title of the song is called Already. That's the title of the song.
Already.
Now, okay, so okay, album now, and you know what's doing other African artists and other artists. Nothing said. If you are nipa miensa, nipa seba. Where's Saturday now? Ni Beyonce Nkwa, Obianka, with just the two of them.
Wow.
Nkwa, just the two of them. Yes. Obianka home, Omi Nkwa, and I was so. Now, I said, I see a Sunday, and no man Sata. Uche Sata side now. I mean, tea, mean control, mean tea. Uche, you two tears at the side. I have the money that account. So tears at the side that. And I'm going to say, now Sata to understand power. Can't say my head is bigger than Mississippi. No, now his brain is bigger than Mississippi. What tell him now? Come on, who say yes? Into an Sata and Kwaba. I never call my album when it's different. He said, and your single no more you, and your single album. And a nipa neji. Into no man in the boy and some new money do all fan for Tony album. So someone like Beyonce.
Metiasia. Let's a new crowd here. Chatawale, Abedu in Cheddar.
No. Oh, yeah. We album now ready. Yeah, we be about Friday, yeah, about out. Friday, yeah, you can say Friday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. About Friday.
And a Friday, no Friday, you call live. Now Friday.
Now when my
Friday, sick. Friday, make me a
Mate, no problem. And I made 1 week off from Magic. I don't know what halafra. Come on. Now, when you call Magic, now when my dema kuswa SFA, Nika, what him say? Some now, if you know.
And you need to make 1 week off from Magic.
1 month to cry Magic. Me found one moment to America. I'll use my savings, Magic. Now in our history, history is made. Another family free minister Takasai. And you didn't comment. When I'm tested, then you are with Melissa na videos need to be on me send man. And I was my CEO, thank you. You didn't come. Now just say on country, one can't say wait, I can't tell you. One can't say wait, but to be me who send messages neighbor. Me brand I test you. I say my CEO. Another history is made. Hey, oh.
And the Uber daughter Shatawale now, and no one in the Kasai. Hello,
no, another part.
Mutai, or Casa hello, Utin is our Casa hello.
Come on. Yes, sir. Minister
Shatawale, you are the Beyonce between you. Wouldn't it come or Casa hello, now Suka hello, see you.
Now I never feel I'm using to say, my friend says, see, I'm what is happening in the casa. Come on, one train home. He's the most simplest person I've ever met in my life.
Shatawale on the Beyonce between you, Suka says, see you, hello.
Of me CEO, of me my CEO, my brother, my CEO. The love, you know, the love Nasata Wama, you know, the love he has for us, his fans, you know, is unbelievable. It's unconditional. He doesn't care whether you are rich or poor. They say, love no so. You didn't need to compromise like the way I know what say, free and fair. And
you, see you, what did you say? Just see you, what did you?
Oh no, tell us, Sata, when I say about this, you know, even Sata give you opportunity to talk to him on the phone, you have to appreciate it because there are millions and billions of people who want to have the same opportunity. And to know, I don't be now lucky now because some people are working more than you are working, but you are lucky. So one more that opportunity.
Nobody is working more than you are working. Nobody is working more than you are working. Men are making it. Nobody. Every of what Ghana, but say because will be a weird information. That's a Shatawale go for CEO. Emma.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Who never found out that one answer at the end.
I'm trying to get proud.
Ibrahim, no Shatawale look at a Janu could war to be yet we money Janus and about a Janu actor.
The Jinam, and the Jinam pa. The
But
Jinam,
it's for him to give you a thing. Shatawale is not stupid. When him say you are doing something, anyone who you're with, but get this life. Yeah, tell me about it now. Come on, give me indication. How can I maybe I'm charging them?
Oh yeah, I don't know if you just so then I will charge you at the day. Miss Row, when my men come around with them, Miss Row.
And then me tell so why you do mama when you're so.
Thank you.
Et you know, Saubaha, me at the Shatawale and a minute Casalo.
Thank you. Yeah.
So what I say. And then so what you are.
Thank you.
No,
many come on, many now. They say the way now they come. They say team now him ya. One say obi no be yes single featuring BS Maya, and then be there you know, and then be new. Where your album na nipa no you album a pie. It is obi no to nobody say Beyonce do to album swa. One in nyom beto album swa. And yet single be na and them wiem baby na ye will bobia na akofan picture baby you. And now adeba kun say one see a movie be AP Lion King no or must say another movie be AP. Na Beyonce wo who na enum na AP no e bi so was some movie nim some movie the whole world Lion King na very popular pass so nim some movie no back out on the 18th it you know back now so album no say pie on the 19th so they are both linked and it's okay album say o match Lion King and album title here The Gift so The Gift and I movie title Lion King it is a massive thing the whole world everybody is going to see Satawale or Wasubi ya ba o more album no more so Satawale Ghana
wow.
And
said the amount for na yeka and I said to all the Conco beat, Conco music, local champion, near the day. I mean, Marco. Ama and then Conco beat you na Beyonce who our friend or over to you.
Yeah.
What can you say about that? But then now over camera, yeah.
Come on. I did mechanic say, sure. Ghana for adia ye diano Satawale we Ghana ni adia ye diano kama ye srɛ mo ye mfa ye nsam ye no nya dan enkutam na ye nsum because ade ba kwa Ghana nim ye ne say pull him down no me srɛ mo because as ma wo kan no edamanfo ano pa ɛna kpokpa ɛna chaspolo ɛna kpokpa nyom na obo onim nyom to Kamal ɛna obi o kan bibia no onfo na me tutu form because me no me nim say obosa pompo beat na e ka Beyonce no nka won tie chata no mpo e na odna koto ne album so me bo ana Debbie na Beyonce no onye any feature onye just musician no
Ibrahim oni bibi e be se ne ye bibi wo ha gina ho me yadi
oh
yeah. From the shot that
no, always so cool now.
I will always
be a fighter. You can't tell me nothing. I will always prove you wrong. Till the day I die, saying I'm not worth it. Watch for me, I will end up. I should always apologize for the monster I become. No one ever apologized for making me this way. Go ahead and doubt. Go ahead and doubt me. Go ahead and talk about me. Go ahead and spread the rumors. I don't deal with lies. I will always Ghana. Kamal, thank you very much. So didn't we have that? I will always prove you wrong, Ghana. My opponent. Prove your music industry wrong. I will continue to do.
That's it. And some of Satawale come with NAC no.
Normal NAC no. And no, NAC no. Upon Facebook, so I can say, and small can and you will be criminal. And no, not AC no.
Because Munchie message, Ibrahim Yensan start you. Listen to the message.
Listen.
Yeah. From the shot the moment. I just want to shout a few words and shit. I will always be
I
a
will always be
fighter.
a fighter. You can tell me nothing.
I will always
I will always prove you wrong. Till the day I die.
I'll always
To
do
the
wrong to the day I
yeah,
die.
die. Say I'm not worthy, and watch how
Say
I'm going
not
to
worthy.
end up.
What?
Yeah,
How I'm going to end up?
yes.
Wow.
Why should I always apologize for the monster that I've become? No one has ever apologized to me for making me this way. So go ahead and doubt me. Go ahead and spread the rumors. I don't deal with lies. Ghana,
Wow.
I will always prove you wrong. And I'll prove your
Allahu
music
Akbar.
industry wrong.
Allahu Akbar.
Yeah, or tamfo or
This is the message.
Kamal. Nyamisra will be our own or tamfo or yeah, own now. But Nyamisra. Ghana force local champion. Or minister that a local champion when they a local champion. Local champion new. Now I make a mistake. Beyonce a local champion. Now come on, we a local champion. Not Beyonce Akofawa.
And you know, I shall tell me.
And you know that how? And you know I know
Because the
powerful.
message, you know what they two one. Tina, our Bible more Quran was it power no card the power.
Yes. And what Nanwa can at the pan.
No, I can't the part.
Yes.
What the Nanwa card the part. I want you. I'm a peer bonte physical.
Peer bonte physical. Kamal.
Believe. GDN no.
Believe no. Yes.
The Friday we do a program. Friday
Mate.
Why?
Many budget.
I mean,
But that's the pastor Mamesa last opportunity no. First of all, no, I want to congratulate my brother, my inspirational, my motivator, say, Tasniama Mensa, Eki Shatawale, African Dance King. Say, congratulations, bro, for this massive.
Basically, I say congratulations, Shatawale and Namwan connection. Basically, I say, basically, maybe I'm a fabric cut. Maybe I'm a fair biscuit.
Biscuit, what about your home? I'm sure, Biscuit, you are very happy for us. And you know, come on, Sata, congratulations, because I did with this achievement, my friend achievement. They say, what the aba Ghana food now and maybe I catch me now. Person me didn't come with Mr. I mean we Mr. Most of one side coso, one side come here so there Mr. Now Sata movement fans, come on, Mr. fans no. But say because say Nyankopon ensra mu nyina for the belief. Now mo ma ye no. Never lose hope, never ever lose hope. Na nyame adum so Friday Mr. mu nyina mo mra ha. Na mo say enum na ebo ne ha ma obi atie bi. Na mo tie asi kire there won num nim. Na mi sra mu nyina. Thank you very much.
Big.
Friday.
Biscuit, I'm in for biscuit to biscuit. We saw no other life, but me fan ka cream go mo say am for the biscuit. Biscuit, na problem me chao.
Come on, me so.
Na mo for the biscuit. Na why you know they are who are bentiasi. Na problem.
Oze said big nation and SMD won say account into no akwakwe and gisem. Oshematadi Stone Boy and them one day come Stone Boy. Name me pasa akonya we so na mabomi nya Shatawale na baso. Ewo enmunya mchekesia aba magana menyi na because your boss Shatawale dia your Ghana din one me patch you know sabe you na yemi ade e dia mayi ni say watching ne Beyonce kwakoye no that you know your boss Shatawale dia ni your Ghana din say abranti bi aye Charles Niyama ni din dia ne so Niyama Charles ni ama one Beyonce no je ni gisem the buyer ni yenya ye ni ate e dia ma yenya Shatawale one me pasa na enyum no so ba bon tin so ai bi di asa na yina ai ate
na wo Shatawale nyum dada ina se obo na nyum
me bon nyum dada o se aya na enkofo bi nti ase bi a game no ɛtiɛ no nkɔfo bi ntia so bi bɛka sɛ bia nipa no wɔtan no ne ade obiara no ɔbɛtan obiara ɛsɛ asomdwe na aba nti yɛnyina yɛni agye de ama yɛnyia Shatawale
na wobɛka na aba life abɔ na ba so anaa yɛwaba wɔ ha yɛ no ara
wo sɛ wɔdeɛ wɔyɛ nation wo nation deɛ Wale ɛhwɛ wo deɛ wɔna pɛpɛ mɛka Wale wate
ɛna mɛka maka sɛ sɛ Biscout na prɛmpɛ mimi ni Biscout nye obi a ɔyɛ ahomasoɔ anaasɛ ɔnyɛ obi a ɔta Shatawale ɛyɛ game ɛna yɛ do industry you will never hit Shatawale and the one who the Biscout ɛna on town ɛyɛ social media saa ne ɛyɛ
if he say asumdwe ɛba yɛ a Stonebwoy wɔbɔ ne yɛ first wɔbɔ ne show Shatawale na no baby wɔn sɛ me de phone esi me so di Wale atem da
Dabi
wo sɛ sanity agudie no ni bi a play na sanity bi a be play no on me party no esi obi e di lebu ono ye ni show saa adie ba yi na wo sɛ me nua Stonebwoy wabɔ na ba so na ni ante di ama no
Stonebwoy ba na ba so
wabɔ na ba so portrait wabɔ na ba so
wow
obi yeah because wo sɛ ɛyɛ munyam hye wo sɛ obi ti sɛ Beyonce ye ka enyoma Beyonce die biase no it's in na one of the it's say obi to say Beyonce na your friend say one no kwakwanye nyumo no enyumunyam hye e ma Shatawale no oh my god okay na enya sabe be
thank you very much because me da asnya bita na message na o ba ma Shatawale movement for no omo fi say bia wo ta Shatawale mo mo message ma be part
oh the young e wi ase ne de ɛyɛ dan ya ɛwɔ nkɔfo bi tiri mu sɛ wotan nipa no ɛni saa nkɔfo na ɛwɔ mu tiri mu no there's nothing you can do obi ti sɛ me nua Ibrahim Gawusu onim sɛ ɛyɛ agudie ɛyɛ game what game na se ndi nso ɔbaa no ofiri so na me baaye but ɔmo nti ase no ma ɔmo emphasize adwene nso omo tiri ɛnu nti na ayɛ da bia amanyɔsɛm no ayɛ nkɔfo bi fa ho kogu no ɛso bɛkɔ na esi edu nketia wɔne Jombuodu twati ɔmo twa wine na ɔmo te hɔ but na ɔmo didi akyire no ɔmo afa wɔn na me pato no Jombuodu tawa na ɔmo wɔ opposition na wɔ sini dan esi edu nketia na command cement na ɛka sɛ asewa wɔne kom na danfo paa no wɔne ne kɔba ɔmo nya enemies ona me patch but ebia wo tie akyire sɛ wo nim no ma yɛkɔ ona me patch yeah enu nti na da bia yɛ kan sɛ wo be hu he kwa but yɛ na yɛ wo mu na yɛ bɛnkɔfo no ɛnyɛ saa na tie ona me patch it no we ɛyɛ ni disem wo a wo mpɛ ma asɛm no nipa no also bo a wo mpɛ wa asɛm dada ɛnyɛ because of Shatawale wo mpɛ asɛm dada but because of say bia when we say bia wo ka Shatawale asem no mo afa ho na bia wo de ye no me bia at sene be ye nkofo be ka say bia he is fighting for and she is fighting for Shatawale sanity it don't they forget about them but enije na aba nti ya ye nya Shatawale na say what me do some pempen so Nyankopon won kan ho e de bibia wo hwe bia no enkoso ye ema no ana we me ko edi na me kwaso me fasa akonya we so aka pa ada ma eye SM5 ni na e bo baba so
anu another brother what just oni atiamba what just say eduma na wo na say blogger no ti eduma na wo na say blogging eduma say ya na tie blogging sa woni be yie kakra wo tiri blogging ye na ye blog abey some small no you can blog man nye yie because ye bloggers no ye say politician bibia etimi gina mu bi Kamal Muhammad me bibi kakra se meni ase enti se me blog ya bibia me mo nyina mo tell against me kura me ginem sa na blogging tie tina na prempe Shatta movement for na mo se mo pese mo huna na no na prempe na aba be ma good submission we deliver good message a kire mo said this is the game said yes Shatawale eti ko titi obi nu obi edi nya hate no Shatta basically so metima nu Shatawale that's the game media na yete so no media game na bi no eti sanete but munin Shatawale nyumu mame mo because messenger won nyumu no ene de esin ne no I think say Me tie nyum na wose agumenti. I have to play it back again. The guy is blessed. The guy is blessed. We it's like prophecy. We ka osofu bi na kika we akobeka so hyenkomu. Ka osofu bi na kika sansem ya Shatawale kan ya. Ka se abaye nkom hye. Ka se ye twa the music is about 3 minutes 58 seconds. We ka osofu bi na ka sansem we a kan sika ebru. Kan sika ebru because wa hyenkom sem o kan yeah.
Pow. Yo, big man. Big man, what's up?
Yeah, cool things, bro.
Benyamiasi, really, we na kan. Inkunudia ba me yin na see ya na yehwehwe no.
Wow.
Nti ya da wa meeting blogger ni waduma pa wo ye.
Wow.
Koswa
Me that's it.
Ya da wa pa.
Thank you. Also for the car say we come check here pa. Ka wa sha nkoma ma na bam. Because in some no car no nim and na esi no. Was it all the I'm gonna break it this war. The critics now are criticizing on break it, and I'm gonna break it true.
Message you know the wallahi is good message. I found our talent to
Yeah. He really said it.
I found na media
Now where I'm actually the fans.
Oh, media me na mono me yes and me Stonebwoy fan.
Because they also got an example of capacity. Most as we sexy, you can say in a sexy way.
Debbie senior man. Oh, Debbie no lie.
My boy tinya de kaka na o ye be ma. We are unya girl. Who get?
Oh, get. I was get me nigga.
Antra. Ubenya bi na my voice munya du kaka. Nya sa unya girl. Wallahi.
SM do brilliant. Akwano na me the talent na chen senior man. Yeah, pedal so. Oh, Sanu we also born 2014 or 13. Sanu we are chepa. Oh boy, oh no you put I say oh no be west or can woman no. Akwano west now to say yeah. Akwano I made the idea man always no. Oh yeah, on style. You know, one brown once and I made the idea or the man one brown once. You know, say I'm Brazil. So I say.
Me that's it. Let me show. Boy, we that's all my two boys kaka. Nya sa unya girl. Me friend 3 colors. I'm gone. Maybe we could jare. Yeah. Hello.
Big boss.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh boy, Jumapa.
Let me show.
Yeah, with the best card, don't care. Yeah, be any chance in so by why fast? Why are they?
Now as a morning, you want to know my blog.
Can be any chances so by the wire fast?
President, you know, a blogger.
Oh, yeah.
Or a national material. National material. Yeah. This come out for the nation. This come to a national material. Also a national material nation.
By here, Peter, no mechanic comments in my. Also invite Peter. Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Okay. I come out for the nation. This come to a national material. Except last time. Your players be. Come on, you have best cut in you. Your mammy just say your national materials no. And then you come out for the nation. Best cut to a nation blogger. Or a nation. Okase brutally. Okase trapu. Entina mo banana iska beska or national material. Also make come out Muhammad no. Me a fair guy to everybody. Or a national material. And so be friend beska say or a nation blogger. Oh, you're right. Ibako, you're right, and you're wrong. There's nothing wrong to say to call him a nation blogger because yeah, he is. What else? You're blogger and you're blogger. You'll be on your blogger. You'll be on video, but on your blogger. And so be friend basically say nation blogger. The person, yeah, is truth. And then true. Who bet my friend is her? Because Okasa at a breaky barrier, say ko. Your blogger, your omo video. That come up with your list member. Make some omo video. No more your bloggers. And your blogging say, what the camera see you now? Kasa. David. And yeah, no, a friend blogger. Someone wabba. Say any will be a check. You who about for every no about. Or create me, Manuel. It's your blogger now. David, oh, have him. She's watching in the mirror. Where by your blogger and your blogger. And so because a biscuit or a nation blogger, yeah, he is. To be honest, a blaster. Unfit him more. And to big up to biscuit. Okay, I can make call, but I could be without me call. To a smart guy. What do you mean? What do you mean? I commit my blogging.
Boss, pow. For life is our blood clot life.
Yeah.
Boss, Charlie, and then you near Jipa.
Money budget. Friday, you better party. Friday, you know bar. You better put you to 2 minutes. Friday. Yeah. I'm saying, Casa 18. Mirate. Oh, so boy, Juma. Who boy, Juma, pa? You boy, Juma.
Oh, yeah, obey. Charlie, you near Japan, Shatawali, because Charlie, guy, wabre.
Why
that where he has gotten to know is too far, you know. He has done really well. Serious, because what surprised you be no one got on him the oil. Shut up, be be on him the oka and on him the oil. And the or no if like we are his fans, so we know what he's doing. The obey biano, Tanichi, Shatta Wale, but still we say Shatta movement for life. And it's our life, you know. We never sell out for Shatta movement.
Nice one.
Charlie. Yeah, that was a nice power. Boy, you want to
okay, I'm saying, Hayana, and then Friday, and you know about Ibrahim goes to the Friday, beer, many Ibrahim goes to this year, near by life. Now, life interview, Ibrahim goes to Friday, many Ibrahim goes to me. Yeah, best celebrity the aircon. Where the Papa gentle, Papa gentle, and now your Papa. Okasanum.
John Tasha, man, with US, man, Virginia, man. Now, Mammy Castle Joe. Simon, let me tear no. Me tear Simon now. And I'm a raho. And I'm a raho pa. Because
you make
say, and you pet me tear Shatta Wale. Didn't tear I don't behave with the way of behave now. I'm telling you, so obeying who sorry no pa. Then you go pa buana man sorry no pa say me ko dina a Facebook and now YouTube edit the amount for time and I say my cassette CD me si pe bia. Aya yen share asem no be free buy. Yen pani phone bu be say asem bia ba frankai den esi so. And then there's no smoke without fire. Shatta Wale the way or kasa na or did them kasa or did the amount for time no. Busa say didn't tra. And didn't radio stations M1 right now you know can say no about out Melissa young Boba who crowd radio so and so the way and the air trending. Let me share one show. And on your local champion. Question boy be free Zimbabwe means what is anyum now a South beef near Zimbabwe and the South African guy be friend the Buffalo Soldier. So Shatta Wale knew BR. And the boy no Shatta Wale all pick a fight with Shatta Wale say Shatta Wale is not the king of dancehall music in Africa. He is. Shatta Wale is the king of dancehall music in Africa. And now the whole world will know, say, we have a treasure in Ghana.
Wow.
You will treasure ever Ghana.
Wow.
I ask the Ghanaians for you, me support a guy, no. Nija is saying, Subai is saying, no. You not boy in Bono. Dancehall. For can you a komu kumio. That's what a messy or botan so. A koma kume. I said, I'm going to can mutini yo. Obi of free prison by and what we trust you be saying. And you go upon the good boy in the tree. Me, I will support Shatta Wale to the devil repent. And it's about some repenting and some might change margin. But some should all repented that. Into all the way in the pound.
Shatta Wale the fan base. And you make us off be a casa ya. And on no kind of abamusa. Can now soffono. Kasa soffono. Can na sorry. Sunday kebobo masi dream. And you will tear moon samoa. And now sofu be the dinner no a casa 3 minutes 58 seconds. Kosofu bi na de na no kan semwe ka se Shatta Wale e bedrum rebi oni nyumtuni kese bi awiasi na hu so say anase nsem o kan onyum yim. I always prove them wrong. Critics na mo criticize me no and mama breaki anase mama breaki ko obi na de na no kan ya ka Sunday na sorry bebo ma ba Shatta Wale 7 tamping nti yes ono de bibie ni mu ntampeni nti yesi bibie ni mu ba mo ntie asem a wo ka anasa asem wo kan woni nyum na ye hwe de esi wona brabom ena Beyonce o Ghana was wo hu obia na Beyonce me ho me so me musician Beyonce. I'm also a musician Beyonce. Beyonce, next time if you want to feature somebody, I did here in London. London crowd in the US, I'll just come. Beyonce, next time, I'm here. Or don't turn time level. You know what I'm saying? Now Beyonce so who will be a Shatawale. Or not to the album so. I'm at a new ready. Until Friday, yeah, pan to my Friday. Many blind girls 1-on-1. Yeah, it's not to see. Yeah, blind girls Friday to Cabra. Brian does me here with me fear, inshallah. And I says, I'll persuade. Me about her. Tell baby. It's Brian goes Friday, me person me here. Now, Tiana Metia. Now you're to chunkomo. Nay, a bonny near the chunkomo. The Friday, many Brian Bishia near Panumon to ma. Actually, Ghana for the Brian goes. To Beyonce, more money, no, some among countries, and Miss Mable. I'm also suffering. Pa, call me Femba Kuaka. If he said, come smell all right, oh, Abrabum. To Beyonce, next time. Also, Kokubun Sam also said it. Sir, Kokubun Sam can say, what kind of saying? Kokubun Sam saying, Kokubun Sam. Yes, you go around for the Kokubun Sam Subishimu. Coffee. I won't flag coffee, mamma. Kame koba mumfre obi mfre kofi mame nkata se omra mumfre kofi mame yasi kofi kasae ene se kofi kuyen ka kofi kuyen me ba to mumfre kofi ka kofi kuyen ko bi yogo tale Hello, it is at all. I'm new, dear. You're Ghana. I always prove you wrong. Obianka, Yeni Unoka, dear dinner, Tememe Kahubi, near Kemoninta, and the Christo Nibia said, Obi or chance Biano. What in you smell or fan a petition, what is it? I'll mix it, and then. Obi ho and then a petition on mix your phone soon frat because or no share and no. Yeah, maybe a cremoni. Yeah, you're passionate, but maybe there is in a positive way. Mom, I don't hate him, me penas and power, but I didn't yamaka. And Obi or touch at all in Austrians and say, what is it? And Obi or touch at Tawale no. I just said, whoa, what kind of penny here, you know, and oh, here, no money say, I'm for him, frat. What do you say? And I mean, you'll be feeling like a macaw shabby. Beyonce, pa, what do you mean? Beyonce, why? I think Beyonce. Who probably not to know Beyonce. And then, Obisana no make a one on channel no mono casa. Oh, baby, not to know. What of Fasha Tawali, she say, what will you? What will you? What's it? Ah, Beyonce. Sana nyame ye ne dwuma ade a nyame eye anasa de nyame pɛ no usɛ na enye yie saa na tie de nyame ahyira no ne mpemfo kan ye moni dua enkyente wɔ na afe usɛ ne sɛn na nyame ipagya no de nyame ahyira no usɛ opa kuriko so bra fam uye hwe enka no nyame bi pagya no me ka sɛ be kyerɛ mo da no me be video ka kyerɛ mo sɛ wo se wo mpɛsɛ nipa bɛtan wo na why ne Nyankopɔn be set table no in presence of them wo na wo se wo mpɛsɛ nipa bɛtan wo na table na wo chatawale ebedidi no ene obi so behwie na lombo ene obi behwie na lombo aha betwa de table na Nyankopɔn be hyehyɛ ama wo no atamfo anim no wo Bible mu a wo ka no sanka chatawale wanya atamfo amanfo bi anta no yanka so boko covid yanka so oto jama yanka so local champion yanse no anche wiase a ka na table yi bin yi ka hwan na obedi a kire no ene odi a kire obi so kura na lombo ene chatawale didi ati obi oni Beyonce na tonyum enum na eba out Friday obi so ahwe na lombo ene table na nyame ahyehyɛ nti obi ahwe na lombo ene wonna ene o twese ya fansuo kura mfrem it was say I will set a table in presence of your enemies ene ebi na esi no saa na besi wo so abrabom enti so obi so otawa e ma ne nya wo ya nkoku ho enkonu modu ho ma ne nya wo dese nipa tawo ma ne nya wo de se nipa tawo chatawale ene wayese masto Nyankopɔn so yin ni kosuo wo pɛ no baby ayan susu ye baby ya adwene ekwa nuye no Nyankopɔn so de ne betera ho ene one Beyonce na eto nyimu Beyonce sa asamaso ese die kom na yaye kom alobwa de benu wo alobwa de benu wo kom ene mesi amafo be hot ofa bibia afra ene amafo twa hot ne meka bibia meka say obi twa hot ne because ene ya wan susu da se nyame betima ye sa na nyame ye ne dwuma ene obi be twa hot adenti na chatawale mom na ese oni Beyonce kotonyum meka say na ekufo do frɛ no ehokla na nka na esi ehu se ade na ehu na ekufo do frɛ no uhu video ehihimie adenti na na ese o frɛ ayi chatawale adenti na na ekufo ado ese chatawale na udi ye unfrɛ da lumba unfrɛ amachi dede masa obi ani sunsun ekura no etime kama metiwe menhwe obi mo babrabo o kamawu menhwe obi e mo babrabo enkrofo na meto aduane mo mu di me na meto aduane mo mu di meto mpabo mo hye meto atade ni hye o mo no ene o ma sa me ho se plane no mehwehwe o mo kura me hu o mo enkrofo na meto aduane mo mu di o mo da me dem edidi o no ho ene o ma sa me ho ko untimi question Nyankopɔn. You can't question God. You can't question Nyankopɔn. Nyame ya ade afo ni hwebi. Obia ne Nyankopɔn se de osi ahyehyɛ ama no. Ono so ne de no no. Sa wo so wo hwe obi de abo obra. Wallahi wo hawo. Enem se chatawale ade a wonye. Obi nane wo. Ene obi be wi alombo pa. O mixe. Say ya wo coke mixe. Na nipa ko na o mixe. Because ashino watano saaso o mo na break it through watano saaso Beyonce si on na no beto no enti ene obi hwie nsa ne se ya chatawale why chatawale Beyonce why chatawale sana nyame ye ne dwuma gidi na gitum sana nyame be no abrabo one day ene nyame sesa ni pa bi abrabo Nyankopɔn fada mienu ensa ni pa abrabo obati American visa o pa America ko one day na o de akotumi ama o visa Obey one day na obey obi. One day that ba ko pe enye to wo. Eye wa adwen say ye ade bi a long division bi a ana say long term bi a. Me kama Muhammad me ka to say entisa. That ba ko. Empire bona wa bo say o person ko America one day. Obi ama invitation bi kra nya hwe. What tribe sa unya. Dan na wo de ko tu mu no. Wo ko hia obofo. Here di ama wo ko America. Dan na di ama wo ko Germany. One day, come on, I want to sing with you. Come on, I want to do some business with you. Come on, I want to do this one day. Dabako. Timinu ya ba minu ya bema. Jinyamidi na asa. Man wo bia mprefie ho. Man wo bia nya competition. Ya ba krom ha. Abrante bia ne na sha abrabo ase. Ya start ya na mu se ya branch ni pace tie na me se no we udi na chi enye yi o ya no focus ko a afi na yeso ne ya wiawia udi na chi enye yi enti yesa o tie ase yesa nyankopon o bia ne se di usitie eno yesa ubenyini ache mi se menyini o me ne mo kasa se no me boyi esi bia mo yem behye mo mu bebre nkwara mpe mu bewu na metia because me ni obi ani competition me ni obi achi o me na me lem oso na modiem me ni mri obi o so woni bre ade a wo problem woni bre ade a wo problem wo blogging ya na ye blogging no ye bom dadwa den to and then crofobia ye di mo kura no and no mo kan ho kura de no mo kura ne di atem se blogging and then omo ba be tin hini wo blogging nim oso be obi a nko ba bia and omo ba be tin hini omo kura blogging no kura no omo just omo side ko mo nim kura mo chen but I don't know chese that's not the end of you keep coming odi ya odi do dia sunebra men hwe obi wo akoma beti ti kama Muhammad obetena ha memfa ho ni nipa do mo hwemi o ana memfa me ho se 2000 bi obi page so da bi wodi ekoso ya wodi me kai se Shatawale mire bi no opani pa cho so mo share ni video ma no o mo share ni post ma no please obetema bo inbox bu kra power cho ene hwe Shatawale na ni Beyonce ko tunu no nya energy nya positive energy menya negative energy forget about the old kind concentrate wo de obia ni nsuo otimi di dware obi ho nsuo cap obetimi di dware obi ho bucket ba kokora nso no sa na wi asetie huo ho den na hu nante wo wi wa brabo nyame nhira obi awo bia wonya okese wonya wakoma so apede ma wo na tiasie jitum sa wo yawo oye wo no obi ayo different ada wo ba asase so nya dan no ba ayo ada obewu no nya dan no obewu tiasie sa obe free wa brabo me free man me very very free because me knew omo ti be si omo na me told you na me omo di ene ba akokura nu a me ne yepe omo nyina omo omo nim che me se ye hwe no wa brabo mu a Ghana ni beka so obi won anim mu a na se o sika me bo a okay omo na me told you na me omo di samai ma nyi sika na mo omo nyidi sama mo omo nya ba bi mfo omo ti nto okay ene omo wa ha still me sha but alhamdulillah me tin pom ade me nim se one day na nipa de yi enye 2 days Shatawale last 2 years na obi be catch on Beyonce betu you be say oh my god oh forget yourself man forget yourself one na to ope umpo one na to enwum so e ba abonte am yabo yami show yam fansia no Friday yani Ibrahim Gausu ya de nyum no beba ya ba bebo na me ni Ibrahim ya beba live madam wase madam obi biara se ka me bombo nyum na mamo but yeah street no mama na adia ontimi ntua nti odam nyina mo ase and it's true me ba me catch am say adwuma esi no enye Shatawale na mo na mo ye positive people na mo tane chi no enne de na du ho ti de bia meka enya nnamfofo dodo akura o enya nipa dodo a ofre o mo adamfo no na emom enkofo a omo ba sincere to you enu ti na ma Shatawale du me bia odu Saudi nipa bia nam no onya positive to you a ene ne nante as simple as ABC Saudi nipa bia nam na onfa na kuma enta wochi a ene ne nante because ebe say wo energy you can't go anywhere and the papa bi kura e mo abrabo ebe say me na me ka kire wo and to watch your surroundings carefully and na me de be kram inshallah because
make me broke this wall. Why should I always apologize for the most I've become? No one ever apologized for making me this.
was in 2015 na 2019 2015 amount forecast Shatawale was hwe he has gone down ontimi sori biom and o ka say mun hold it chop kiss and a kakai and o the best sell that was in 2015 and somehow can it be a one table for ti yes me break it to me
When I was on my tour,
call the tour no.
I heard no people saying Shatawale has fallen, he's gone.
I heard a lot of people saying Shatawale has fallen, he has gone down.
So I told him to hold it. My fans
and I catch him so hold it. Then you be a friend hold it, me we are not watching him. My fans chop keys. Or catch him hold it no. And I'll catch the fans and saying, was it chop keys? No, oh yeah, chop keys. And also, they be my memo hold it in them ramo. Or catch him hold it no. Shatawale hold it. That and you know the promo to you be as I hold it no. Hold it. Okay. Hold it now. Catch him say the fans who hold it no. Any the guy message or the atone. Anoding. Okay. What's the Mukaso or cut down now? Want to mean your bibuno? And on the way, ever family so hold it. And to hold it, no, or be a whole late now, or the chop keys, there more chop keys. And on the best said the whole Ghana. And on the chop keys, best Samu Nasa to Buye. The anti chop keys. And the best said no, man, and I made someone see you. Tonight, we are gonna make you feel like a new wife. This guy's Shatawale, mad. I say, Mukaso and Timiano. And on the hold it, or so be a hold it. And on the chop keys, best same one in the car. And on say, China was with you. Message now, all man, or no. I don't know all can. Brian Gauss, mini Brian Gauss, make a semi chair Brian Gauss. I'm saying Shatawale as semi buy. I don't catch Brian Gauss, so ultimate side hate. And what this time war? Me, boy, no more fuck much I say. Nice will be unforgetting, no part forgetting, and yes, over good massy. Busai Brian Gauss, I told him this. I said, be the sea and catch a Brian Gauss, say, Brian, says Shatawale TV side hate. Or TV hate a song war. Obia power forgetting. And yes, I wouldn't be worse in doing yammy. Ask Brian Gauss, I told him. Mrs. Otimi start drop hater. Now I don't know hate ya. Obia forget boy no bia nyano no nya de ope. Na nipa bia ntimi ni biu. Make ask Ibrahim. Me do nyame. E free honom no. O drop hate. E hono drop your friend saying. The hate song yi. Dia me boy me di ka boy no. And Ibrahim goes to natural. Yes, I fully remember. And I'm catching Brian Gauss say, Shatawale and no. And now obedient to me, his obedient to me stop on obedient ho. And Tiano, no one yet obey. On no bre, and I send a time so loco, Yami time no so. Or ya jinyame, nobody can stop him. I told the Brian Gauss Musano. No Musano, the catcher. Let's obey good massy. Obey good massy, me do yame. Obey good massy, fufu, when you be woo, a quarry, wouldn't a chia.